Working from home is becoming extremely popular and there's a lot more people working at home and not in the office. However, we believe that you should be able to be as productive at home as you are in the office. So what we want to show you is a few key things which can make it really simple to have great connectivity, great productivity and great ergonomics for you. The biggest feedback we receive is the difficulty to multitask on a small laptop screen. So one of the first things you've got to do is increase your screen real estate. Let's get started. So get yourself a really good sized monitor and a monitor stand. What I love about this monitor stand is that it's height adjustable for your personal ergonomic needs. What we need next is a laptop riser. This is the adjustable laptop stand which allows you to use your laptop as a second screen at the right ergonomic height. Other feedback that we're receiving is that with the increased usage of video conferencing is that laptops are running really hot. What I love about this laptop stand is that it's got two cooling fans underneath which help dissipate the heat from your laptop. Okay, now to increase ergonomics and productivity, let's get a keyboard and mouse. A full-size keyboard and mouse keeps you off the cramped space of a laptop, gets you upright and centered in front of your two screens. Okay, so here we have a great work from home setup, but I do have to connect all of this to my laptop, which frustratingly never has enough ports to connect everything I want to connect, but we do have a solution for that. This is one of the universal docking stations from Targus, and it allows you to convert all of this into this. So there you have it. You have a great work from home setup, compatible with both Mac and PC, that gives you ergonomics, productivity and connectivity. Happy working.